With energy costs climbing and power outages becoming more common, many of us are looking for ways to light our homes without relying on electricity or open flames. What if there was a way to create a lamp that never needs a power grid, doesn't use fuel, and stays safe for your family? The Amish have been using simple, ingenious lighting solutions for generations, relying on their values of sustainability and self-reliance. Today, we re-diving into how to build a forever lamp, a light source that uses no power and no flame, inspired by traditional methods but adapted for modern homes. Whether you're off-grid, prepping for emergencies, or just want to cut your utility bills, this sustainable, frugal solution could change the way you think about lighting. Let us explore how the Amish light their homes without electricity, and how you can create your own forever lamp to bring timeless wisdom into your life. Why avoid modern lighting? To understand the forever lamp, we first need to look at why the Amish steer clear of modern lighting like electric bulbs or gas lanterns. For them, dependence on external systems, power grids, fuel deliveries, clashes with their principles of simplicity and independence. Instead, they use methods that rely on natural or mechanical means, ensuring they're never left in the dark. The forever lamp we're building today draws on this mindset, using radiant materials and clever design to produce light without ongoing costs or risks. It's not just about saving money, it's about resilience and sustainability in a world where resources can be unpredictable. What is a forever lamp? The forever lamp is a light source that harnesses radioluminescent or phosphorescent materials to glow continuously without electricity or flame. Unlike candles or kerosene lamps, it doesn't burn fuel, and unlike solar lights, it doesn't need recharging. The Amish often use reflective and ambient light techniques like polished mirrors or oil lamps, but we're taking it a step further with modern, safe materials that glow for years. Our version uses phosphorescent powder embedded in a resin base, sealed in a glass or acrylic container to create a soft, steady light. It's perfect for emergencies, nighttime navigation, or even cozy ambiance, and it lasts for decades with zero maintenance. Materials and tools. Let's gather what you'll need to build your forever lamp. Don't worry, these are affordable and accessible materials, keeping with the Amish spirit of frugality. Phosphorescent powder, also called glow-in-the-dark pigment, available online or at craft stores. Strontium aluminate based for best results. Clear epoxy resin, 2-part, non-toxic when cured. Small glass or acrylic jar, mason jar, test tube, or decorative vial ensure it's transparent. Mixing cups and stir sticks, disposable for easy cleanup. Protective gloves and mask, for safety while mixing resin. Optional. UV flashlight, to charge the phosphorescent material faster during testing. Sandpaper, fine grit, for smoothing edges if needed. You'll also need a well-ventilated workspace and about an hour of time. The total cost should be under $30, and you'll have enough materials for multiple lamps, making this a budget-friendly project. Step-by-step build process. Now, let's build your forever lamp. Follow these steps carefully for a safe, effective result. Step 1. Prepare your workspace. Set up in a well-ventilated area, ideally outdoors or near an open window. Lay down newspaper or a drop cloth to catch spills. Put on your gloves and mask to avoid skin contact with resin or inhaling powder. The Amish value preparation, and so do we. Taking time now prevents mistakes later. Step 2. Mix the phosphorescent powder and resin. In a disposable mixing cup, combine the epoxy resin according to the package instructions, usually a 1:1 ratio of resin and hardener. Stir slowly to avoid bubbles. Once mixed, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of phosphorescent powder per 4 ounces of resin. Stir thoroughly for 2 to 3 minutes until the mixture is uniform. The powder will make the resin slightly cloudy, but that's normal. It's what gives your lamp its glow. Step 3. Pour into the container. Carefully pour the resin powder mixture into your glass or acrylic jar, filling it about 3/4 full to leave room for curing expansion. Tap the jar gently to release any air bubbles. If you want a decorative touch, you can add a few drops of non-toxic dye or glitter before pouring, but keep it minimal to preserve the glow. Step 4. Cure and seal. Place the jar in a safe, undisturbed spot to cure for 24-48 hours, depending on the resin's instructions. Keep it away from direct sunlight during curing to avoid uneven setting. Once cured, check that the resin is hard and smooth. Seal the jar tightly with its lid, or, for a permanent seal, apply a thin layer of clear silicone around the rim before closing. This ensures the lamp is airtight and safe for long-term use. Step 5. Test your forever lamp. Expose the lamp to bright light, sunlight or a UV flashlight, for 5 to 10 minutes to charge the phosphorescent material. Then, take it to a dark room and watch it glow. It'll emit a soft, steady light for hours, recharging daily with minimal effort. The Amish would appreciate this low-maintenance brilliance. No fuel, no fuss. How it works. The forever lamp glows thanks to phosphorescence, where the powder absorbs light energy and releases it slowly over time. Unlike radioactive tritium lamps, our version is completely safe and non-toxic, using strontium aluminate, which can glow for up to 20 years without fading. It's not bright enough to read by, but perfect for marking paths, illuminating doorways, or creating a calming atmosphere. Place it near a window by day to charge naturally, and it'll light your nights without costing a dime. Amish-inspired design tips. The Amish maximize light with clever home design, and you can too. Position strategically. Place your forever lamp on a reflective surface, like a mirror or white shelf, to amplify its glow, much like how Amish homes use polished surfaces to bounce lantern light. Use multiple lamps, cluster several lamps in key areas, hallways, bathrooms, for better coverage, mimicking how the Amish distribute oil lamps. Insulate for ambiance. Pair the lamp with thick curtains to trap light and create a cozy feel, a trick Amish homes use to enhance warmth and glow. Benefits and modern applications. This forever lamp isn't just sustainable, it's a game changer, cost-effective, no bulbs to replace, no batteries to buy. Emergency ready, perfect for power outages, camping or survival kits. Eco-friendly, zero energy consumption, no waste. Safe, no flames, no heat, kid and pet friendly. Modern homes can use these lamps for night lights, garden markers, or even art installations. Off-grid folks will love the independence, and urban dwellers can cut reliance on grid power. It's a small step toward the Amish ethos of living lightly on the earth. The bigger picture building, a forever lamp, is more than a DIY project. It's a nod to self-reliance and ingenuity. The Amish remind us that we don't need complex systems to meet basic needs. By adopting their frugal mindset, we can save money, reduce waste, and prepare for uncertainty. This lamp is a symbol of that. Simple, enduring, and sustainable. Call to action. Ready to light up your life the Amish way. Gather your materials and build your forever lamp this weekend. Share your results in the comments. Did it glow as expected? Got creative with the design? If you loved this dive into sustainable lighting, like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more frugal tips. Tell us what you want to explore next. Maybe Amish water systems or off-grid cooking. Until then, stay bright, stay thrifty, and keep shining with the wisdom of the past.